How to use kerosene to kill mosquitoes? Itching, the first word associated with mosquitoes, is well deserved. Mosquitoes feed on your blood, which prompts the release of histamine from your immune system, inhibiting the introduction of infection at the cost of itching and swelling. If you have a mosquito infestation around your home, eliminate the insects at their source without relying on the old-school method of kerosene annihilation, which carries fire, environmental and health risks. If you remove mosquitoes' breeding grounds and kill them softly when you find them en masse, you'll disregard kerosene as a viable alternative. Things you will need: 10.31% Bacillus thuringiensis tablets. Pesticide spray containing 0.72% imidacloprid and 0.36% beta-cyfluthrin. Garden hose. Protective gloves. Twine or stakes. Safety goggles. Respirator. Environmental controls. Remove any items or debris that could hold standing water from the problem area or invert them. Containers, pet bowls and buckets, to name a few common items, double as mosquito oases when filled. Change out the standing water from bird baths and children's pools and keep the water in backyard pools clean. If your pool is covered, use a squeegee to remove any standing water from the cover. Remove litter and lawn debris from gutters and catch basins. If your lawn has holes from uprooted trees, backfill them with sand. Organic controls. Put on protective gloves. Lay 10.31% Bacillus thuringiensis tablet on any permanent standing water or standing water you can't eliminate. Use 1 tablet in every 100 square foot area of water. Tie the tablets to a fixed point using twine. You can also insert a stake through the tablet's center holes and into the ground at the bottom of the standing water to keep them in position. Lay 1 tablet per 100 square feet of dry surface that floods. Abandoned pools and bases of runoffs are a couple of examples that benefit from dry placement of mosquito tablets. Chemical controls. Put on protective gear, including protective goggles and a respirator. Attach the ready-to-use pesticide spray reservoir containing 0.72% imidacloprid and 0.36% beta-cyfluthrin to your home garden hose. Open the water flow to the hose. Direct the nozzle toward the areas where the target mosquitoes gather and squeeze the palm trigger. Expend enough pesticide to coat, not saturate. Supersaturation is extraneous. If your target is a still body of water, aim over the water but not into it. Allow the mosquitoes to fall, and then skim them from the water, ground or surface where they expired. Sprays eliminate mosquitoes on contact. 1 comprehensive spray suffices in a suburban setting.